Pak, di kakaon karong pesta. Babae nga sa inyong atubangan ang nagpapatibok ng puso ni SK Chairman. Each and every candidate who want to be remarkable and pride. I always believe that yes, I mean not the biggest, nor the largest costume that you ever seen for tonight. I always believe that simplicity is beauty, but being simple is truly remarkable. Mag-iiwan ako ng isang hugot line. Hindi lahat ng masarap ay mahal. Ikaw nga, masarap pero di naman mahal. I am Maxine Cuaton Francisco, proud to represent from Tabon, Miss Lixie.